Hi everyone, Rainy here. I finally got the Strongback all shored up, and today I brought out the frames and put all the frames on it. Have a few little, I just got a woohoo from up above. So, just get a few more things to do, but let me go ahead and show you, do a little walk around and show you what's going on. Okay, I get all the frames up today. Had a little bit of Murphy's Law, you know, if it can go wrong, it does. Where I put probably about 5 or 6 of them backwards, but went back to the plan, figured it out, and get them all there. Now, if you recall last time, I was having trouble with the frame not staying still because of the grass. And what I did is I put them, you can see down here, on these big blocks all over the place, and I drove the stakes into the ground. Those stakes actually go down about 2 feet into the ground, and connected them to the frame, so that should hold it. So we'll go all the way around here. I haven't put the transom on yet. It's just too heavy and too much for today, so I'll do that another day. Transom's going to go right up over here. And of course I'm going to be building this out about another 2 feet to make a swim platform, which will be a unibody. It's actually going to be part of the body extended. And then over here, it all came out really nice. All the frames seem good, except for number 13, which is up here. I'm going to go back to the plans tonight and figure out what happened with Lucky 13, which is this one here. As you can see, I'll get back a little bit. Oops, I'm tripping. I'll come back over here. And of course, I don't have the front on yet either. But as you can see, that first one is frame number 14. Then 13, I even put a block underneath it because it was way too low. But it needs to be higher than that. It just doesn't go with the flow. So something was missing in that cross member. Maybe it was lower. And the other problem I have is this one here, number 14. It's not touching the Strongback. So I'm going to come back and cut some of this out over here. You can't really see it that much, but this member right over here is coming up. See how it's coming up and it's hitting the wood right there. So I'm going to cut that down so it's flat right on this cross member. So that's going to bring it down a bit, and I need to work on this one here. But hey, you always got little things like that to figure out. And of course the stem I have finished, but I'm not going to put the stem on, which is right here, until I get the keelson on. So that's pretty much the next step. Finishing this, getting it all looking good and level, then putting the strips from front to back in the keelson, and then I have to shave everything to go with the contours of the plywood. So thanks for watching, and before I go, I just wanted to thank all of you, especially in my YouTube channel and in the Facebook groups that I belong to for boat building. I want to thank you all for your advice. I've got some great advice this time about how to shore my Strongback and make it stable. A few of you in particular were very constructive. Of course, you always get the, oh, don't do that, don't do that. But for the most part, I get some very constructive feedback. I really appreciate your help and your support. So with that, you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye now.